Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zenaida and this is Fashion with Zenai, a place to inspire fashion lovers, to share my love for fashion and DIY projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contour a basic bodice. Contouring is used to remove excess from your pattern so that garments can fit better on your body. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need the following tools. You can find all these materials in the description box down below. To contour the basic bodice, you will need the Basic Bodice Pattern. I have a video on my channel on how to create this pattern, and I have a digital basic bodice pattern on my Etsy shop in case you prefer to print it. The links will be down in the description box. You're going to start by contouring the front of the basic bodice. The first thing you're going to do is to measure your bust radius. This is the distance from your bust point to the underwire of your bra, or where a wire would be if you have that kind of bra. In my case, this is 6.5 centimeter. Now you're going to measure the 6.5 centimeter. Take a compass and put the point into the bust point and draw a circle, or you can use a measurement tape to draw the circle. The first indication of the contour dart that you're going to draw is from the front neckline. You're going to remove any gaping from the neckline. The position of this contour dart is going to be at the center of the neckline curve, or you can say the midpoint from the high neck point and the center neck point. You're going to draw a straight line from the mid neck to the bust point. Then you're going to create the other leg of the dart. This is going to be measured along the bust circle. The standard gape dart measurement is going to be 0.6 centimeter. Mark the 0.6 centimeter point on the right side of this straight line. From the mid neck point, you're going to draw a line to the 0.6 centimeter point and from this point to the bust point. The second contour dart is to create new armhole shapes. From the end of the shoulder to the bust point, you're going to draw a straight line. On the right side of the line, you're going to measure 1.3 centimeter along the bust circle and mark the point on the bust circle. Now you're going to draw the other leg line from the bust circle to the shoulder point and from the bust circle point to the bust point. The third contour dart helps to reduce armholes and strapless bodices. The position of this contour dart is going to be about midway in between the deepest part of the armhole curve. You can draw the point somewhere in between the front notch and the end of the armhole. Draw a straight line from the bust point to the armhole point. The standard measurement of this gape dart is going to be 0.6 centimeter. Mark the point on the bust circle. From the bust point, you're going to draw the other leg line to the bust circle point and then to the armhole point. The fourth contour dart allows the garment to curve underneath the bust more naturally. It has a standard of 1 centimeter. Measure 1 centimeter on both sides of the waist dart along the bust circle and mark the points on either side. Draw the other leg line from the bust point to the bust circle point, then to the waist dart point on either side. The fifth contour dart is for contouring between the bust. you're going to draw a line of 90 degrees to the center front line. On either side of the line, you're going to measure a standard measurement of 1 centimeter on the center front line. Mark the 1 centimeter points. Then you're going to draw the lines to the bust point. To reduce excess for strapless designs or crop tops, measure 1.3 centimeter from the bottom of the armhole. Then you're going to mark the armhole point and draw a line from this point to the corner of the waistline. The sixth contour dart is to remove any excess for the strapless and cut out neck designs. For the back side of the bodice, you're going to draw a horizontal armhole line. Then you're going to determine the center of the back neck and the armhole line, and then you're going to mark a point. Normally it should be around 10 to 13 centimeter below the neck. Now you're going to draw the across back line. From the across back line, you're going to draw a line to the center front of your dart. Mark the center of the back dart. Then you're going to draw a straight line from the center dart point to the across back line. Now you're going to measure the standard measurement of 0.6 centimeter on either side of the back waist dart leg and mark the point. From the across back line, you're going to draw a line to the points on either side. Lastly, you're going to draw the side seam line like you did for the front bodice to reduce excess of the side seam. Measure 1.3 centimeter from the bottom of the armhole. Mark the point and draw a line from the corner of the waistline to the bottom of the armhole point. And this is the finished contour basic bodice. I will be working with contouring top designs in some upcoming videos. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and find it helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.